So this is what's been happening with my 2020 Cherokee Trailhawk with about 16,000 miles on it. It doesn't want to start on cold mornings. It starts and turns off, and it gives me all these warnings. It goes through a lot of warnings. But if I start it with a jump, if I jump it, okay, so I attached my jumper cables to it with my battery pack. And I start it again. It stays started, but it generally keeps one error message up. This time it's the parking brake. So it only happens on cold mornings. It was about 10 degrees last night here in Pennsylvania. I took it to the dealer. They said they couldn't figure it out because it started for them. So I'm recording it this time as proof. I have a case number for Chrysler. It's written on the screen, so I'm not sure what to do about this. I think it's a battery, and so does the dealer, but they won't replace it under warranty if it doesn't happen for them. So I'm at a loss. Any suggestions?